We were just on routine patrol and noticed this guy has fallen off his motorcycle, so we're gonna see if he's okay and what's going on here. Hello.
How you doing?
Good, good.
He just, the bike's leaking oil.
Yeah, I saw him fall over.
Yeah, he's alright.
Were you on it as well, or just helping him out?
No, I'm right here.
Okay.
I own the shop right here.
Okay. You good, boss?
Yeah,
It's been leaking oil.
What's that?
It's leaking oil right here. See all the oil?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it just slipped down right there. I gotta move my truck right there.
Yeah, no problem, man. Alpha 25 Central, copy of Florida Tug.
25.
Mike Tango Kilo Echo 92 on a red Harley. So what happened, man?
Ha 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 ha!